Alright guys, welcome back to your 21st Google Chrome extension development tutorial, and in this tutorial we'll be finally finishing off with our extension by spicing up our rich notifier a little bit. So far and so forth we have been coding just the core functionality of the extension, how it would work and how would the debugging process take place and all that stuff. But now it's time to spice up our extension a little bit. So what the heck? I would rather prefer to kill Firefox. And now the moment when your task manager does not open. So here it is, and I'll just kill it. Goodbye, Firefoxy. Wow, that's what a coincidence, man. Anyways, getting back to work. So where were we? Yeah, so to spice up our extension, so let's reload this and see that right here we have got a very ugly kind of notifier. We can actually spice it up a little bit, so let's see how we can do that. So first of all, right here, let's leave it here as it is, but for here let's modify some things. So let's say you got a new notification on Twitter, and this is supplied by Twitter notifier and message is this one. The next thing we can add is context message, and this message is kind of dim message which appears at the bottom, so we can just write our extension name there, and don't forget to put a comma. And what we can do is, to make our extension more interactive, we can create some buttons in our rich notifier, which I haven't taught you till now, but I'll teach you now how to create buttons in your rich notifier in Google Chrome. So let's see. So to create buttons, what we can do is, we'll just write buttons and a colon and something like this, because there could be more than one button, and the title here should be, or without quotes actually, title here, the title of the button should be open link, and you could actually also give an icon URL of your icon which appears left to this link, but for now I'll just leave it to blank. That means I won't give it anything. So we have got a new button right here, and let's see how our extension looks right now. Let's reload this, and obviously we need to have some work done. And the last one we have, retweet. Let's just retweet this, and we have got our notification like this. So you got a new notification on Twitter, Mehul retweeted you on Twitter notifier, and we can actually open link using this. Let's see how you can do that. So we have got our button now working on our new notification, new notifier. So let's see how you can attach link to your button. And to do that, first of all, we have to do the same thing we did in a couple of tutorials or maybe more back. So chrome.notifications.on button clicked dot add listener if function, obviously, and this function would take maybe one or two arguments. One is notification ID, and the second one I don't remember, frankly. So since we have only one button right now, so we don't need any arguments, because this function would be fired only when our this button open link would be clicked. So I'll just like to open the window to the notifications page. That's it. Alright, so that's kinda it. So we have successfully developed our extension. So let's see it in action. So let's say I disable this, and why not just apply the icon as well in the manifest.json. So icons should be there should be a comma, 32 icon.png, 64 icon.png, and 16. Well, we don't require 16, so that should be good enough. And let's enable this, reload this, and we have got this nice little icon, the first Twitter notifier. Let's close this and let's disable this for now. Let's first of all, let me remove all of my activity of the retweet so we can just have a look at how it looks now finally. So I'm just removing all the retweets I did, and in the Chrome notification area, the latest tweet I have got is Mehul retweeted you. Alright, so now let's start our extension. So that's how it would appear when a user installs it. User will get this one time whenever the user launches his or her browser. Then he or she can close this, get started with this work with the window closed obviously, and whenever some strange visitor like this one does any activity, then automatically you'll get that in how many seconds? In where it is, yeah, in 20 seconds. So that's kinda long duration. I can actually drop it, but we would be getting the notification anytime now. In 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 2, 1, now. Wow, that's embarrassing. Come on, come on, come on. This should be it. Whoa, that's strange. Let's check out what happened. And in the background page as well, the array is not updating, so there is no notification here as well. So where did it go? Let's reload this now, and Twitter is at fault now because it's not updating notifications about the favorite of tweet. Let's retweet this. Let's favorite this, retweet. Alright, so we have got this link, Mehul favorited your tweet. Let's open this link, and bingo, we have got this page opened by default. And the best thing about this extension, the user actually need not to authenticate his Twitter account with some oaths, logins, or all that stuff. So you can basically just go ahead, grab the user information from Ajax request, this HTML data, filter it out a little bit, and with some awesome jQuery library code, you could make such powerful extensions with nice Chrome effects. So I hope you liked this tutorial, and I'll see you then next time.